Today we're just gonna be talking about my new channel for my, But I just want to explain like what's going to be happening, and we're gonna like the games are gonna be playing, and I'll show you how to download mods and stuff, and show you how to build stuff like this giant pixel art sword right here, and I'll show you how to build nether reactors. But either way though, I'll be playing some other games like Pixelgun, Minecraft, maybe GTA, but I don't know. But I hope you subscribe and like and comment on my videos, and if you want, you can add me at Game Center. I'll probably link I don't know, I think I can leave a link in the description, I don't know, but hopefully you guys will follow, subscribe, and for daily uploads, so like, comment, and subscribe.